Google has announced a new major training initiative designed to increase AI skills throughout the workforce. The project includes a new Google AI Essentials course that will be offered on Coursera, the online learning platform, in addition to a $75 million AI Opportunity Fund to make the course more widely available. The company's new online Google AI Essentials course is designed and taught by Google experts in AI. The course, which will not require a prior degree or AI experience, will focus on teaching workers foundational AI skills, AI best practices, and how to use AI responsibly. Google claims that, in under 10 hours of self-paced study, students will gain an introduction to AI, learn how to write effective prompts, and be able to identify AI's potential biases and harm. Designed to give learners hands-on experience using AI in their work, the course, which will cost $49 on Coursera, will involve videos, readings, and interactive exercises. Individuals who complete the course will earn a certificate from Google.